Afternoon, how are you? I'm also good, thanks for asking. Which part are you in India? I am from east part of India. My state name is Odisha. Have you heard about Odisha? Have you been Odisha before? Wow. Have you been Odisha before? Wow. Wow. Then are you working in there or are you a student? Okay, I got you. Are you born and brought up in Hyderabad or are you from different state in India? Okay, what kind of job are you searching? Okay, what's your qualification? Are you in technical field or non-technical field? Okay, okay. Then have you up? I completed my graduation. Right now, I want to enhance my English speaking. That's why I am using this platform. Yeah, then how long have you been using this platform? 20 days. How did you know about this platform? Who recommended you in this platform? Mhm. Okay. Okay, you got to know from Instagram platform, right? In this platform. Wow, so nice. I got to know from YouTube video. One YouTuber spoke about this platform. If you don't have language partner, if you don't get atmosphere to speak English language with anyone, then you can install in this platform and you get so many co-learner to practice with them in English. After that, I installed in this platform and I have been using this platform around 1 month above 1 month, and I am still practicing here. And what's your experience about this platform? Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay, because you got benefit from this platform, right? Yeah, this platform is a very good platform, and you get also good co-learner. Some are advanced speakers, some are fluent speakers, some are beginner, but they practice with everyone, right? If you don't want to talk with someone, simply you disconnect the call. Otherwise, someone talk with you, then you practice with them. And this platform is very good because we don't have language partner, right? If you come online, you get someone and you practice with them. And if we practice regularly 10 to 20 minutes per day, then we may increase our fluency and we may build our confidence simultaneously, right? Just few minutes ago, you told you are studying in Telugu medium, right? Then listen carefully. Language doesn't require any kind of degree, percentage, any score, and any kind of medium, right? If someone studying English medium, they can speak fluent English and they can speak like a native speaker, not like that, because they are also studying in non-native speaker country, right? They get atmosphere inside the classroom, but not only teacher, they can speak 24 hours with their student, right? Outside of classroom they never interact with anyone in English, right? That's why, of course, that's why we have to practice and we have to learn in this language. You, if you means have a strong vision and mission, if you think I want to speak good English, then definitely you ready to do hard work, right? Language always takes means four pillars: LSRW: reading, writing, listening, and speaking, right? But we people always think if I practice only speaking, then I become a fluent speaker, right? But they never focus listening, reading, and writing. But we have to practice also reading, and we have to practice also writing, we have to practice also listening, how to improve our listening power, how to improve our reading skill, how to improve our writing skill, because all are interconnection each other. LSRW, right? That's why we have to focus. If you only focus listening and speaking, it will take time to enhance your fluency or build your confidence, right? If you follow four pillars simultaneously, daily, regularly, then you become a good speaker. Right now you can speak fluently, you are a good speaker, but we have to polish our fluency regularly, right? If we never practice with anyone 10 to 20 minutes daily, then we may lose our fluency and confidence, because we don't have atmosphere with whom you interact and where you listen in this kind of English speaking, right? We never interact with always in English speaker. We always interact with native speaker. That's why we have to practice in this type of free platform, and we talk with them and we build our confidence. If you want to learn how to driving, you have to sit on the driver's seat. If you want to learn how to swimming, you have to jump into the pond. Language is just driving and swimming, yeah. Language is just equal to driving and swimming, right? It require only dedication, devotion, determination, consistency, self motivation, and habit, right? If you build your habit, if you make a to do list, if you make a long term goal, short term goal, you have to make a weekly uh, goal, right? Because I want to focus my reading, I want to focus my writing, I want to focus my listening, I want to focus my speaking within 1 week. After that, you evaluate your speaking part, your writing part, your reading part, or your listening part. Definitely, you become a good speaker, no doubt. That's why we are different in this kind of platform and practice with language learner.